Just bought the lavalier Ceramasonic joints.
Oh, my bad.
Don't know how to fucking set these up, but we're definitely gonna figure that out.
Yeah, we just left Best Buy.
Nick just
Sabian
dropped
came
a
here
bag.
for buying a camera. And, I mean, no, he came here to buy this tripod that I'm holding right now. And
Yeah, we ended up leaving with...
I ended up buying a whole camera setup, so...
Tripod, microphones.
Alright.
Hold me now.
Why is this touchscreen?
6 feet. No. Is this thing on, dude? Oh, I got my fingerprints on it.
You're an idiot. Drive, bro. I hate her.
We don't want to bring the camera into the store, but we're literally just freaking vlogging, dude. We just came here for some tools, and I gotta find a bathroom, dude. It's that simple. See, I'm being chilling. Ooh. That was smooth, right? Alright. I don't even know what they're buying here. I'm just an Uber driver today. Here he is. There he is. There he is. You're just getting a box for your camera stuff?
Yeah, do you think?
He's just buying a box for the camera stuff. I need to find a bathroom. And then we're probably bouncing out back to his house, maybe stopping for food. I'll see you guys probably at food. What are we getting? California burrito, dude. California burrito, dude. Alright, let's take the camera off the other people. You've never been here, bro? You don't like Mexican? Damn, this place is packed, bro. Holy. Actually, complete idea change. We're just gonna get smashed at the bar.
No, we're not.
We're just gonna get smashed at the bar. My mouth is on fire. These motherfuckers just finished up their burritos. About to bounce back to the next house. Get the car up. Jack it up. But do the spacers and stud conversion. Yeah. See you guys at Nick's. Just made it back to Nick's house, guys. Check this thing out. He put the fucking wheels on. Finally. He finally put the wheels on.
RPF ones for sale. If you want to buy them.
Hit up Sloan QB on Instagram.
18 by 9.
18 by 9
Plus
RPF
35.
ones plus 35 offset. Look at this fit though.
Had my way with Bambi.
The waist fitment is unreal, dude. Literally. How did you get that so
the toe
good?
could be corrected a little bit.
I think the toe could be a little bit more toe-ya, honestly, but
Could be corrected, but that's
alright.
Yeah, I don't.
Should we show them? Should we show them in there?
You gotta come to me to see that.
All right, yeah. Keep the surprise for your page, but we're gonna get this up soon. Spacers, ladies and gentlemen, after a long adventure inside with these microphones,
It'll fit in here?
we finally figured out what's what, and it's working, as you can hear. What, dude? Why do you want my keys? Oh my god, dude, it's the Master Tech Drew. Hold on. As we fucking know now.
Keep going. Stop.
I got a whole nother Honda spot.
Doesn't know how to use it.
Tony's a civic guy with a computer.
Doesn't know how to use it.
Tell him what you're doing.
Doesn't. No clue.
Mechanic. Drew's doing stuff for me because he's the best friend in the world. It's the dude. Drew literally chooses to whenever he's around. Like it's sweet. Like I love it.
It is hard watching you turn right
But
sometimes.
when I'm locked in, bro, that Spanish side of me comes out. I get that shit done.
What is this?
A drill.
This is what we're taking orders off of.
Car's gonna be up soon. Wheels gonna be off. Spacers, stud conversion, shortly. Hopefully the fitment actually doesn't look crucified like it does right now. So, say thanks to Drew, everyone. Thank you, Drew. Dude, wait. This is actually a sick POV. Dabuski, got the wheel off. I have a love-hate relationship with these wheels, dude. These rims. Sometimes I think they look good. Other times I think they don't. I think once I get the spacers on,
unboxed?
probably like it. It's all in the trunk. I'll grab it for him right now. Let me know.
That
Dude, what is this? What is this?
No, nothing.
What is this?
That's fine.
I can shit, dude.
Studs. Literally in here.
I'm gonna go film up the GTI. I'll be back.
Film it.
Huh?
Film it.
You don't want to film this?
We're recording.
We're literally recording right now.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my, look how shiny those are.
Film it while it lasts, as it doesn't last long.
Not gonna be shiny for much longer. And then in here, this is what Harbor Freight had. Okay. Loctite.
Let it tighten for 24 hours before you actually torque the wheels.
Yikes.
But that's not gonna happen.
I'm driving from here.
Yeah.
Can't do that.
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Supposed to let it actually dry and lock.
Yeah,
So
that's.
when you go to torque your studs, you're not spinning it.
You twerk on studs? Let me know! Whoa, dude! I'm so happy.
Basically stripped down to just interior body harness.
Let him do his thing. Legitimately, I am just taking off all the fucking luggies for Drewski. Just threads are long as fuck though. It's gonna be a lot easier to take the wheels on and off after this though. At least that's what I was promised by Sloan QB. You know. It's not that cold, bro. Is that thing stripe piped? He's gonna do pops and bangs in the garage. So where's the Allen?
Who's Alan?
I don't know, Alan.
Dude,
Let's go find it.
you're a fun guy, dude.
Let's go, vlog. We're
Can
going
you
to
turn
find it.
How are we gonna get in there,
We'd love to
dude?
get in the garage.
How are we gonna get in there, dude? Fuck.
We're cooked.
Dude.
Chat.
Chat. We're not live streaming, bro. We're vlogging. There's no chat.
It's a joke, bro.
Let me know.
Bro. Go, bro.
Where is this shit at, bro? Where is this shit at? I wonder what those are for.
Bro. It's one of these. 6 or 7.
It's a. Say that again.
6, 7.
I just bipped right on a highway. Track off sitting in the driveway.
Lands
You know
out.
these things have noise cancellation too?
Really?
Yeah, so we don't have to listen to your fucking annoying ass all day.
Thanks, bro.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm
Means so
sorry.
much. Thank you.
Yep.
Let's go.
Type shit. Let me know. Okay, that's enough. It's a joke, bro. No one's an alcoholic. Drew might be.
Drew's the last person.
It's pretty cool.
What is it?
Everything lubes itself up while nobody's looking.
It's a 6.
I was talking about throwing the torque wrench through my windshield because I felt like it. I might swerve in that corner. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bitch,
this
hold
half?
tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, start letting shit go.
Bro.
Well,
This is 1/2 inch.
is Drew talking to the Huz right now, dude?
Thought I had a 3/8.
Drew's talking to the fucking Huzzington. The 1/2 inch.
We have 1/2 inch. We don't have an adapter.
Oh. Dude, is the motor out of this thing?
Stop, bro.
Dude, this thing's clean as fuck under here. Did it come with the strut?
What?
Did Mark 7s come with the strut, the hood strut?
Yeah, don't close it all the way.
I didn't. Ran into a problem. We're just unprepared at this point, honestly.
Always unprepared.
First video, going terrible. Cancel all the plans. Just move on to the meal prep for the day, and then just go to bed. Spin back on this project in a couple days.
If only it was that simple.
If we go drop off your thing and come back, we can stop by my work and we can get tools.
Why are we going all the way back there?
Because it's in Nashua. It's 5 minutes from Best Buy.
Bro, there's one 20 minutes away.
That way.
We could just pick up the shit on the way, dude.
There's a Harbor Freight in Fitchburg.
Yeah, dude. Let's just go do that. But what car are we taking? I don't have a back seat in that. It's unclipped.
I can pull the fucking pull the shit out of my back seat.
What's in your back seat?
We finna
The K is still back there?
take the boosted Civi,
oil pan.
the boosted SI
Oh.
to Fitchburg.
That's part of my spring that's now no longer.
Again,
In the
unprepared.
rear?
Not the right tools. We're
Damn,
fucked.
dude.
Can you stop stroking, dude?
Bro.
Studs on.
Are we going or not?
True mechanic. Let's get the spacers.
I'm on the way.
Are we going?
Fronts are smaller, right? The smaller Johns. It's just gonna have a death wobble after.
Are we going or not?
I don't think we need to. I trust my hand torque.
Is we fucking oh
My hand
no?
torque wrench. But it's
I
up to
got
you
a
guys.
whole nother.
We need to get this done before 6:30 though. Like it's one of the two.
Good.
We either go now or get this done before
You
6:30.
guys would
It's
get
5 o'clock.
The other stuff. And then Mom, me and Sadie do this.
Well, Drew does this.
Yeah. I can do that.
I'll just leave you at my house with a jack though. Like,
That's fair.
Trust me?
no, I trust you. It's just,
No, I get it.
bro.
Oh, I thought
Alright.
we were.
Trying to figure out what to do. That's all. Say that again?
Let's go.
What?
Put the car down though. Well,
Like
sketchy. Leave me a car and a jack.
this to this.
Is it
or
far enough
this
to close the
this?
garage?
Falls out often.
That was like me last night. Chill.
You chill.
We're gonna go. Imagine if we got a two-step in that. Because it's, you know, VTEC. You know what I'm saying? We gotta run Harbor Freight because I'm a retard. Gotta get tools. Almost did. We're all a part of this. We're a family.
No, we're not.
We're a family.
Yeah, but we're not all a part of this.
Okay. We're taking the Nick Mobile over to Harbor Freight because I'm a retard. Didn't get the necessary tools. But Tony forgot his phone in the crib. Garage door wide open though. Someone's gonna take the Fleet TI. The mama
I gotta
party
get the battery.
girl. And then we're also gonna stop at Best Buy again because Nick needs to get a battery. So I will see you guys at Harbor Freight again. This time in the ghetto.
Simon says, get the fuck up!
White boy listening to the brassy music. It's Brittany, bitch. Who shit there, bro? Bro. Cocker Spaniel. No way, it's these guys. But we made it. Safe and sound. Safe and sound. Dun, 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 dun,
I forget I'm
dun,
wearing this
dun.
mic.
Dude, your underwear is out.
My underdrawers.
But check this thing out. What wheels are these, Nick?
They're A6 wheels, I think.
Those are clean, dude. I really don't think I've ever seen them. And it's fucking 6-speed. This thing's nasty.
This interior was swapped in.
Yeah.
6 feet.
Looks good, dude. No roof, too? I got socket set and
Dude, I want to know the story behind the GTI, dude.
I don't know, that GTI is sick though. I like it. I like those wheels too.
I want to know the lore behind the interior.
Right?
Why I don't got plaid.
Could be swapped.
It is.
But yeah, we got
It's
the
his.
and the adapter set. Tony's looking for a harness back there. Yeah, engine stand.
Is Tony buying something?
I think he's gonna get an engine stand.
Right now?
I don't know. But we're gonna be on our way back shortly.
guys can
Get to
go.
the studs.
Yeah, we'll meet.
Oh yeah, we're going to Best Buy. Thanks, Drew. Go check on him in there.
I don't think it's rebuilt.
I don't know, dude. The wheels are dope, though. I'll give you that. And I like the interior. Oh, dude. On the white Steelies is actually kind of tough, though.
The back.
I fuck with that.
The back. Nah, I'm not rocking with the white steel.
I rock with the white Steelies, though.
Nah,
I forgot about that, though.
not rocking with it.
All right. You already know it's about to go down. We're actually gonna go to Mexico, do some digs. Just kidding, not tonight. Maybe one day when I have a fast car, take it to the track or something. But I don't have a fast car, so.
On us.
All right. Bounce out to Best Buy. Next thing I need a charger. See you guys soon.
Use the tripod.
We got the tender secured. The pizza spot didn't have slices. I feel bad for bro. He just wanted a cheese slice, but Cumberland Farms across the street. I got him a slice of cheese. I actually feel so bad.
Bro's working on your car and you get
Drew's literally working on my car as we're picking up food. Dude, that's an aggressive ass downshift. What is that for? But on our way back to the crib, Drewski's working on the car.
check presets.
Hopefully it's done by then. I'll show you guys what the car looks like when we're all set with the studs and the spacers. And then we're gonna be heading back home after because we've got the fam waiting. Low-key been all day, I haven't seen them, and my sister's visiting. So, got about to go. You can't really, the spacers, it looks a little better. See you, Drew. Top of the morning, guys. So, yesterday, it was too dark out at night. God. Oh, it's a little brisk out here. A little brisk out here. Yesterday was too dark out at night to show you guys what it looked like, and also it kind of settled in. The fitment kind of settled in. So, here it is. I mean, definitely flush. I feel like a couple millimeters more would have been better. Or maybe I just need an alignment, honestly. Cracked mirror. Are we gating? It's Monday. Getting ready for work. Let's sell some cars today. Probably not going to be recording at work just because privacy, right? But going to the gym later and then back home, meal prep tonight. Let's have a day.